ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 63 Importing Tables. Importing data from a table in another database is very simple as the data is already in the correct format. Okay, let's have a look. If you view the contacts database, let's display the external data tab, and from the import and link group select new data source, from database, and then access. Use the browse button to locate the folder with the supplied data files and select the CIA database. Click Open to return to the dialog box. Select the option to import tables, queries, forms, reports, macros and modules into the current database. Then click OK. The Import Objects dialog box appears. Select the Tables tab and then select the Suppliers table and then click OK. In the Save Import Steps prompt, click Close, and the table is now imported into the contacts database. If we open the Suppliers table, here is the content of the table, and from Datasheet view we can see that all the data has been copied, and if we select Design View we will see that all the formatting has also been copied. Now, just to mention, any object can be imported, but there is no point importing a form or a report, for example, unless the matching tables were present. Another point, this suppliers table is a separate copy of the table. It's completely independent of the original. Okay, let's close the table and the database, and at that point we have finished lesson 63. So, over the last 3 lessons, we've learnt how to import data from spreadsheets, then importing data from text files, and now we've just looked at importing data from tables. In the next lesson, we will discuss linking a database to external data. Okay, I hope this is making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.